So we're here at Corruseal today, where we're having a look at the EFL503-HV6 and how it performs, and getting a bit more of a feel for what they think about the machine. Let's go have a look.
My name is Oscar Davids. I am the workshop foreman at Cubic Solutions. We supply forklift solutions to our client, Corruseal. Our experience has been very positive, so we've implemented the EP machine into our production to assist our client to move paper rolls. So the only addition we did to the forklift was to fit it with a paper roll clamp. The EP machine has the ability to lift heavy loads up to 6 meters. Therefore, the drivers prefer using those machines over all the other machines. The advantage of the high voltage battery in the EP machine is the fact that instead of operating from 6 to 8 hours, it can operate 8+ hours. So the EP machine has been a major success, so much so we are considering purchasing our own.